Okay, welcome to my 3 minutes video presentation about the MySyn expert system. But before that, let me give you a brief background about this expert system. MySyn was developed on 1970s at Stanford University. First ever expert system and was designed to diagnose and treat infections in humans. Written in the Lisp programming language, used rule-based system to make decisions. So that is the background of that system. But later on, I will explain what is role-based in the characteristic of the expert system. So characteristic. So it uses role-based representation. When we say role-based, MySyn utilized a role-based system to encode the knowledge of human expert. These rules were structured to capture the decision-making process involved in diagnosing and treatment in bacterial infection. Then knowledge base. The system had a knowledge base containing information about various diseases, symptoms, and treatment options. This knowledge base served repository for the rules and facts that the system used in decision-making process. Then inference engine. MySyn feature approach, starting with a goal such as diagnosis and working backward to the rules to find relevant information. Then certainty factors. MySyn introduced the concept of certainty factors to handle the uncertainty in decision-making process. Certainty factors represented the degree of confidence in the conclusion drawn from the available data. This allowed the system to express the uncertainty inherent in medical diagnosis. Then dialogue system. The expert system includes a dialogue system that interacts with the user to gather information about the patient's symptoms and medical history. This dialogue system allowed MySyn to engage in a conversation like interaction to collect relevant data for the diagnosis. Domain specificity. MySyn was designed specifically to the domain of infection disease. With a focus on bacterial infections, this domain specific allowed the system to delve deeply into a particular area of expertise, showcasing the potential of expert system in a specialized field. Then explanation facility. MySyn had the capability to provide explanation for its recommendation and conclusions. This transparency was essential for gaining the trust of users and allowing them to understand the reasoning behind the system decision. Learning mechanism. While MySyn did not have learning capabilities, it set the stage of future expert system that incorporated learning mechanism. It emphasized on role-based knowledge representation, paved the way for more advanced systems that could adapt and improve over time. Then last one, pioneering contribution. MySyn was a pioneering effort in the field of artificial intelligence and expert system. It demonstrated the possibility of using role-based system to mimic human expertise in a specific domain, laying the groundwork for the development of subsequent expert system in various fields. MySyn application areas was a field of medicine, where it demonstrated the possibility of using role-based expert system for diagnosing and recommending treatments for bacterial infections. Second one, infectious disease. MySyn was specifically tailored to address infectious disease caused by the bacteria. It rules a knowledge base were crafted to handle symptoms, diagnostic criteria, and treatment options related to bacterial infection. The third one, expert system development. MySyn served as pioneering example and inspiration for subsequent expert system in various domains. Its success influenced the development of expert system designed for tasks beyond medical diagnosis. Then the last one, decision support system. The principles and technique employed in MySyn, such as role-based reasoning and uncertainty handling, contributed to the broader field of decision support system. This system assists professionals in making informed decisions by analyzing complex information. That's are the application areas of MySyn. Then, advantages of MySyn. First, automated decision-making. MySyn automated parts of the decision-making process in diagnosing and treating bacterial infections. This could potentially reduce the time required for analysis and decision-making compared to manual methods. Then the second one, knowledge representation. MySyn utilized a structured knowledge base, allowing for representation of medical expertise in the form of rules. This provides a systematic way to organize and apply medical knowledge for decision support. Then role-based reasoning. The system operated in a role-based reasoning approach. Human experts encoded their knowledge into a set of rules, mimicking the decision-making process of domain expert in infectious disease. Consistent decision-making. The automated nature of MySyn decision-making process meant that it could consistently apply the same rules and logic to different cases. This consistency could be advantageous in medical scenarios. Uniformity is important. Then the last one is the diagnostic support. MySyn was designed to assist the healthcare professionals in the diagnosis infectious disease. It could analyze patient symptoms and provide recommendation for potential diagnosis and treatment options based on its knowledge base. Then, MySyn challenges. So, MySyn also faces some challenges. Knowledge acquisition. On the significant challenges was acquiring and updating the knowledge base. MySyn success depended on the accurate representation of the expert knowledge in its rules, and keeping this knowledge base up to date with the rapidly evolving field of medicine was a persistent challenge. Limited scope. MySyn was specialized in the diagnosis and treatment of bacterial infections, particularly in the field of infectious disease. Its narrow focus limited its applicability to a broader range of medical conditions, making it less versatile compared to generalized diagnostic system. Then, static knowledge base. The knowledge base in MySyn was relatively static, while there was a learning mechanism. It was not dynamic modern machine learning approach. Updating the system required manual intervention, which could be time-consuming and resource-intensive. Then, lack of context understanding. MySyn operated primarily on a role-based logic without a deep understanding of the context. It could lack the ability to comprehend the nuance of patient overall health condition, medical history, or the broader context of their lifestyle. Then, dependency on explicit rules. The rule-based nature of MySyn meant that it heavily relied on explicit rules provided by the human expert. This approach had limitation in handling uncertainties, subtle patterns, and complex interaction that might exist in the real-world medical scenarios. So thank you, that's all.